What's he going to do for us?
Well, let me show you just how smart he is.
Okay, just show me.
All right.
Here we go.
Hey, Mudslinger. Why don't you come right over here? Yeah, go say hi to Mario. No, we'll say hi later. All right. Mudslinger, wave hello to everybody. That's it. Mudslinger, can you lay down? Both ends. Both ends. Good. Can you play dead? Bang! Good boy! Now let's see if a pig can retrieve. Mudslinger, there's your toy. Will you go fetch that for me? Thank you. Oh, I got to show you one thing. The other night after dinner, I caught him sneaking into the kitchen. Can you show him how you sneak into the kitchen? Good boy. Well, a lot of people think that pigs are actually messy animals, but they're not. They're very clean. So Mudslinger's going to show you how he puts his toys away. Mudslinger, here is your little shark. Would you please put it away? Well, guess what time it is? It's time for soccer. But before we can participate in any soccer, we need to have the traditional raising of the flag. Would you do the honors? Thank you. Now, this is an extremely difficult trick, especially for a young pig that's not even quite 1 year old. Because we're going to ask him to dribble around 3 different cones and then shoot a goal. And I hope we can get it on the first try. We're going to see. Okay, Mudslinger, are you prepared? Here we go. I want to see you weave in and out and put it in the goal. If you notice, he doesn't dribble with his hoof. He uses his snout. I hope he has a nose for the goal today. Shoot it.
Ah! You can do it!
Yeah! Oh, what a good boy you are! Thank you! Excellent! The Einstein of porcine. All right. Well, you did a very good job. So, Mudslinger, I want you to come right over here, right here. And what I want you to do is take a bow. All right. It's time to pack your bags and get ready to go home.